One of my non-negotiables as a full-time wig wearer due to hair loss is hat wigs. I cannot live without my hat wigs. I find them to be so incredibly convenient. They are perfect for running out the door in a hurry, running errands, spending time outside, maybe at a ball game, maybe at a picnic, and I just really can't live without them. I find full wigs under hats to be incredibly uncomfortable, tight, hot, and so having a hat wig has really been a game changer for me. In March of 2023, I introduced you to the Hustle Wig. The Hustle Wig is a retailer that carries relatively budget-friendly human hair hat wigs. They're Remy human hair. Back then, they only had one length option, 23 inches, the original Hustle Wig, which is this one right here. But they've made some changes over the past year and a half, and today I'm here to show you two lengths and tell you about some of the exciting additions at the Hustle Wig. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook, and I am partnering with the Hustle Wig to bring you this update. I have been wearing my Hustle Wigs for the past year and a half. I have multiple colors and I just love them. I wear them in down straight. I wear them in pigtail braids, especially underneath bucket hats or winter hats in the winter. I just find them to be truly an invaluable part of my wig journey. Recently, they reached out to talk with me a little bit about some of the changes and additions that they've made. They have so much more variety available now. So if you saw my previous videos, didn't want a piece that long, and didn't want to have to mess around with having them or someone else shorten it for you, this video is for you. So let me tell you about the two links that I have in addition to the other options that they offer that I can't show you, but I can tell you about. So the wig on my head is the new Hustle Midi. It's an 18-inch length versus the original, which was 23 inches and quite a bit longer than this 18-inch. Now the one that I have is in the light wave. All my current Hustle Wigs that I own are in the wavy. I really love this kind of natural wave, and if you are familiar with curly hair, you can get more curl out of your wavy Hustle Wigs by using product, a diffuser, scrunching, all the things that curly girls do. And so I'm excited to have a piece that isn't quite as wavy. Now you can always curl these, they're human hair, but personally for me, I like when my Hustle Wigs look more natural because that's typically how my hair would look if I put a hat on. So the one I have on my head is 18 inches in the color Mochaccino, which was introduced last fall. And I also have the 13-inch called the Hustle Bob. And this one I have in the color highlighted medium brown. So 18 inches, the Hustle Midi. Let me get that right, because they've got four links now. 13 inches, the Hustle Bob. 15 inches, the Hustle Lob, which I don't have. 18 inches, the Hustle Midi. And the 23-inch, the Hustle Classic. Lots of choices. So length choices as well as texture choices between the light wave, which is this one, and I've done nothing to this one, and wavy. Now the price point of these wigs, and I threw the bob on so you could see this one on me, ranges anywhere from $350, which is how much the bob length pieces are, all the way up to $700 for Remy human hair hat wigs, depending on the length and the color that you choose. This one right here, so the 18-inch midi in the color Mochaccino, I want to make sure I'm not mixing these up at all, is $600. So $350, $600, and the range is anywhere from $350 to $700. Now the packaging that these come in, their storage that they come with, is absolutely stunning, the best I've seen, but I want to show you inside the cap before I show that to you. So you really do want to stick around and see that packaging. It is, I was shocked, it is really good. But this is the inside the cap. So we've got this velvet, it's almost like a wig grip, a velvet wig grip right there. We've got little ear tabs. They are not super substantial. I can see that the adjuster came out. They are not huge ear tabs. Normally, I do not like ear tabs on my hat wigs, but these are just fine, so I'll explain why in a moment. We've got all this light material. You can see my hands right through it. It's like a super lightweight mesh, so you're not adding a lot of extra material, which is one of the things that makes full wigs under hats so uncomfortable for me, because I find them really hot, but this is practically negligible, and that's all throughout the back here. We've got an extended nape, and then we've got hook adjustment. Let me show you this amazing packaging. Look at this bag, you guys. So the bob that's on my head came in this shorter bag, kind of a bob size bag, and the 18-inch came in this longer bag. It's like a garment bag for a dress or a suit or something like that. So it comes with the zipper in the back and these hangers. And this is just the perfect storage option. It not only will it maintain the style because you're hanging it up, you can just hang it on a closet rod if you want to, but it's protecting the hair from sunlight, from dust in the air. So you're gonna need to style your wigs from the Hustle Wig much less and wash them much less. So let me explain why I am not mad at the fact that these pieces have ear tabs. Here is what I did. So I ordered the small. All of my Hustle wigs up to this point have been in a medium cap. And in talking to them, and because my head has shrunk some over the past couple of years with weight loss, I thought, well, why don't I try just a smaller cap size, see how it fits, and see how those ear tabs are. So let me tell you, first of all, this cap is snug. I don't cinch this one in at all. I have it on the furthest hook because it is pretty tight around my circumference, whereas on the original, the Hustle wig, the hook came out of this one, but I mean, I would cinch them almost all the way in. So they do fit me, but I can't cinch them in at all. I have a 21¼ circumference. But having a small means that these ear tabs actually fall up quite a bit higher on me. So let me throw this one back on and show you what I mean. Because it's kind of tight, it is a real snug fit. Like getting my fingers underneath here to adjust it, there's really barely any room for my fingers. There is no give there. So I want you to really study my measurements to try to make a decision about what cap size will fit for you. I would not recommend this small for anything larger than a 21¼ circumference, because it is really snug around my head. And also, these ear tabs are falling way up here, because it's smaller on these measurements and this measurement as well. Now, for my purposes, that is fine. It does not bother me at all. I do not need these ear tabs for coverage, meaning I have bio hair that I can work into the wig, so I don't have a weird kind of a bald spot right there. So if you don't have any bio hair that you can blend, or you don't want your bio hair to show at all, I would consider that your ear to over the top compared to mine, and maybe size up if you're anywhere close to me, because you want these ear tabs lower. You want them down here because that's going to provide coverage for all of this right here. But if you're like me and your head measurements are similar, I wouldn't be bigger than me anywhere, not even a little bit for the small. But if you're like me and you want to be able to tuck, it's really nice. Those ear tabs are up here. It's really nice not to have those ear tabs in the way of tucking the hair behind your ear, because factor in, we've got a hat, we often have sunglasses, so there's a lot going on right here. That ear tab being higher up makes all the difference for me. Another thing I love about the Hustle Wig is they have their Try Now program. The Try Now program allows you to purchase 2 pieces for the price of 1, in case you're not sure what will work. A really unique program that I've never really seen before, and I think it can be so helpful. So the Try Now program is something that makes me really happy. So on the topic of color, I thought I would just kind of give you a look at the 2 that I have. So now remember, this one is highlighted medium brown, and this one is Mochaccino. To the naked eye, it's really hard to see the difference. I actually sent them a message this morning asking them what the difference really is supposed to be, because they look nearly identical to me. If I get an answer before I post this video, I'll put it in the description box below. I didn't want to wait to film the video, but I guess the moral of this story here is, if you're unsure, Mochaccino and highlighted medium brown are so similar, I think you'd be fine with either. And as I wrap up, I thought I'd throw on my original 23-inch so you can kind of see that length on me in the wavy. This is in the color Mochaccino, same as the 18-inch that I just showed you, the straight one. So in summary, I think the Hustle Wig is great. I mean, I wear mine all the time. I've had a few of them for the whole time, a year and a half, back in March, prior to March actually, so they're just holding up really great. One of the comments I get all the time when I share hat wigs is the fear of the hat coming off your head when it's windy. Hat wigs act as a grip on your hat. I have been out in 50-mile-per-hour winds, only once, but I have been out in very, very windy conditions. My hat isn't going anywhere because the wig underneath it is holding it on. If I were to wear a hat with just my bio hair, yes, then it's loose because I don't have anything gripping onto the brim of my hat. A hat wig does that. So I am not at all concerned about a hat coming off when I have a hat wig on. So I just wanted to throw that out there because I always get the comment. If you have questions, I have a lot of experience with the Hustle Wig wigs. I'm happy to answer them, so please ask. I'm just excited that they have a lot more options, and I am convinced that they will keep adding. Oh, and they also do free virtual consults. So you can schedule a consult with them to learn a little bit more, to ask any questions that you have. They have a 10-day return and exchange policy. The first exchange is free. So let's say you pick something and it's not quite right for you, you can exchange it for a different piece. So all around, this is such a great option, and I am honored to be partnering with them to show this to you, show this to you, show this to you, and to give you guys another option when it comes to wigs. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.